Document libraries in SharePoint 2013 solve all these issues that we've discussed in the previous slides. Let us see how it achieves them in the rest of this lesson. Please do note that we will interchangeably call these document libraries or just libraries throughout this course, as they mean the same thing within the context of SharePoint. A document library is a storage area for documents that allows sharing and collaborating in real time on them within SharePoint. You can, of course, create as many libraries as you need to within it. Unlike a deeply nested, hierarchical structure of folders on a file server, libraries usually have a flat structure. While libraries do have the capability of creating folders within themselves, categorization of files are recommended to be done via a very extensible metadata framework. You will gain a much deeper understanding of metadata in this and the forthcoming lessons of this course. Metadata, as well as the contents of the files themselves, lead to a much more powerful searching and filtering capability. This does away with having to remember the location of a particular file. In fact, it even does away with having to recall its name as well. All that a user requires is to know what he is looking for, whether in terms of the content itself or in terms of some metadata that identifies the file, and SharePoint will help him locate it, no matter in which site or which document library it is stored. We will look at metadata-based filtering in this lesson and deep searches in a later one. Security is an aspect that is built into SharePoint. The best part is that the security model for individual files or documents carries over from the model used for sites and subsites. You can assign specific rights at a library level or to a particular file using the almost exact same method. This too will be covered in this lesson. All the other issues that were mentioned in the previous slides are also solved by SharePoint document libraries. This lesson details how most of this is done, and the demos will show you how it works.